Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your subscription on NordVPN using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. Go to the NordVPN official website. Next, click on Login. Enter your email and password and log in to your NordVPN account. Once you are logged in, you will be on your account dashboard. Next, look for billing, payments or subscription. Click on it to open your subscription details. Here you will see your active subscription plan. Now look for an option that says cancel subscription, manage subscription or on off auto renew. Click on that option. NordVPN may ask you to confirm your choice or show you some offers to stay. Just continue and confirm the cancellation. Once completed, auto renew will be turned off. This means NordVPN will not charge you again. And that's it. That's how you can see NordVPN subscription using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.